...2017 Toyota RAV4. We program a spare key fob for this. This is a month 5 of 17. Of course, we use the Auto KM100 to do this. The vehicle starts. Now this one is the rav4 XLE. XLE uses BDM, BEL remote fob on there. And I also did a spare for this one. This is also 2017 rav4. Also month 5, 17. And this one is a LE. The LE uses the 52T remote. So just something for you to know, that even though it's the same year model, the trim change also changes the SEC ID on the key fobs.